Codling moth is one of the most destructive pests of apples and pears. After its eggs hatch, the larvae tunnel into fruits, causing severe damage. In many parts of the United States, there can be multiple generations of codling moths each year. Predicting when codling moth will first emerge in your area to lay eggs and when the larvae hatch can be tricky. The dates can vary, even between orchards that are only a few miles apart. It's important to be able to make these predictions as accurately as possible so that you can time your pest management to be most effective. Often, pest managers do this by setting pheromone traps, which takes a lot of time. Another way is to use a new online modeling tool developed by the uspest.org team at the Oregon IPM Center. Our tool combines the functionality of two previous models, the Jones 2013 model and the Brunner and Hoyt 1987 model. Here's how it works. First, you choose a local weather station and the model estimates your biofix date. What is a biofix date? For codling moth, it's the date of the first capture of moths in pheromone traps in your area. Then, the model uses the estimated biofix date and local weather data to predict the dates of the other life stages of the moth. All this is done automatically, all at once, to save you time, effort, and money. Using the model is easy. Just go to the uspest.org homepage. Select this link to the mobile-enabled interface to the Degree Day Phenology Models and Calculator. Step 1. Enter your zip code and select the weather station closest to your field. Select a station and click OK. You can also select a station using a map. Step 2. Go to the Model tab and choose the model. This model is called Codling Moth New 2024. Step 3. Click on the Output and Graph tabs to view the results. The start date in the table or graph is the predicted biofix date. This date should closely match your first catch in pheromone traps if you're using them. Next, for example, egg hatch is a critical event that's important for management programs. Other predictions of life stages can also help guide management decisions. Talk to your crop advisors or extension agents for help with your specific needs. This is a new model, and we recommend that you verify it to make sure that it works well for you by comparing it to what you get when you use pheromone traps. And please send us your feedback on how we can improve these open-source modeling tools.